operational efficiency will be the advanced operational efficiency. So in this second tier, the company is not only using the internal data, they are also making use of the external data. In short, in the second tier, the focus is the ability of getting external data from the customer. For example, in this case, we are looking at Caterpillar. Caterpillar is also an American company, and this company is actually specializing in construction, mining, and engineering. Okay, various type of engineering equipment. So what does Caterpillar do is that it attach various sensors or IoT on its construction equipment and use that sensor to collect data about how the customer are using its construction equipment. All right, from the data that it collects through its sensor, Caterpillar is able to analyze, okay, to be able to better understand how customer uses its construction equipment, right? So from customer usage behavior, Caterpillar is able to introduce to its customer a more cost-effective motor grader. All right. And then it's also able to provide more relevant and easy to use product to its customer. And at the same time, or we can say more importantly, Caterpillar is using the sensor data in order to better improve the development of its equipment and the operations. Okay, making the equipment's operation to be much more easy or more personalized to its customer. All right, so in this second tier, it is focusing on getting external data, okay, understanding customers' usage behavior from customers' personalized or customers' unique data. This company use it as a feedback to pay to the customers and also to improve its future product development. All right, this is the second tier, and it's focusing on the ability to obtain external data from its customer. And then under the third tier, all right, we are looking at the data-driven service from the value chain, whereby the company is not only able to obtain external data from the customer, plus from the customer's data, it is able to create new revenue, okay, through its digital service. In this case, we are looking at GE. We know GE is a General Electric company, and it is a more than a century-old American multinational company. All right, and it specializes in various divisions, including aerospace, transportation, energy, healthcare, and so on. So similarly, what does GE do is that it tries to install various IoT or sensor data on its jet engine. Okay, and from the jet engine data that they obtain, it tried to provide a better, okay, provide a real-time guidance to its customers or to its customers' pilots, okay, to optimize a optimal route in order to optimize its fuel utilization. All right. So because G is able to collect information about the customer's jet engine usage in real time, and it is able to provide the customers the optimal route, which can help the customer to optimize its fuel usage, which result in the customer being able to reduce the fuel cost or the trip cost, right? So with this information, GE is using a new service called outcome-based revenue, and such that GE will be paid based on the savings that the customer can get as a result of the optimized fuel efficiency advice given by the GE. Actually, through this third tier of operational efficiency, identify a new business model which allow it to generate new revenue from its digital services. And the type of digital service that it provides to its customer is that its ability to provide information about the optimal route to take in order to optimize the use of the jet fuel. All right. So what is happening is that GA has changed its business model from the one that is designed to produce and sell products to the one that's able to provide data-driven service that is making a recommendation for the optimal route, the flight route, okay, in order to minimize fuel consumption. And this is a kind of product as a service, right? A new type of business model. And GE, following its majority in its transformation, GE's R&D, product development, sales, and after-sales service units are able to be integrated digitally in order to receive, analyze, generate, share, and react to sensor and IoT data. And it's able to provide customer recommendations and information in real time. And this has allowed GE to drive new revenue streams. For fourth tier, what we can expect is that besides an organization is able to get external data from a customer and is able to generate new revenue from its digital service, plus building a digital platform. And this scenario can be seen in the case of Peloton. Peloton is actually an American exercise equipment and media company. And it's specialized in selling exercise equipment, providing various workout exercises and program, such as program for example, yoga, cycling, strength, pilates, mediation, cardio classes, and so on. So what it does is that similarly it has a sensor on its product, all right, and on its exercise equipment. And through its exercise equipment, it is able to deliver various exercise program in real time to its customer. And information about its individual user is then used in its digital platform in order to help the individual to identify suitable trainer, right? And this digital platform will actually enable a kind of matching, information exchanging, okay, and allow the matching to happen between the trainee and trainers. And this is able to execute, to be realized due to some algorithm, okay, in the digital platform. All right. And the ability to generate new revenue as a result of the digital service that it provides by matching, all right, by suggesting the right training program and the match between the trainee and trainer allowed Peloton to build out its ecosystem. Okay. And the idea of digital platform here is that, okay, to realize more business value when it tries to match its customers' requirement with external trainer, okay, whereby the matching between demand and supply that happened. So it is the fourth tier, all right, it's whereby we add the idea of digital platform inside.